Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn about dataset and DataTable. In this first video, we will get introduced to dataset and how it can host multiple data tables inside it. A dataset is a collection of one or more data table objects. So, a dataset may have one or more than one data table. A dataset is a disconnected object from the database. That means you will fill the dataset by talking to the database. Once a dataset is filled, we can disconnect from the database and start working on the offline data. So, the datasets are filled by some other means, say data adapter. That means we cannot directly fill the dataset and we need an external object like a data adapter. So to the data adapter, you will give the dataset, and thereby you will execute the query and fill the content. Since a dataset can have multiple data tables, we can set relationship between the tables via DataRelation object. So if you look at here, dataset, that is one object. A dataset may have one or more data table, that's one more object. And then here we are talking about the data adapter. Data adapter is used to fill the content of dataset and thereby the data table. And since the dataset contains multiple data table, we can set a relationship between one or more data table using the DataRelation object. If you look at the picture here, we have a dataset, right? And this dataset contains multiple data tables. Data table 1, data table 2, and data table 3. And you can also see the relationship between the data table. See, this is data table 1 and the data table 2. If we call this as a department group, and if this is a department, you can see a relationship between these two. Similarly, there is a relationship between data table 3 and data table 2, and if you say it's an employee, we can say the employee belongs to the specific department, and this department is that belongs to a specific department group. Data relation helps in navigating between the data which presents in various data tables. Since we have the data relation, based on this data relation, we can navigate between the related rows. Say for example, if I get a specific data group here, and I can say by navigating to this relation, what are all the departments that belongs to the specific single department group, right? Similarly, when you take a specific department, we can say who are all the employee who works for the specific department. So such a navigation will be possible based on the data relation. So the data relation helps in navigating between the data which presents in various data tables. With the dataset, we can perform searching, sorting, as well as data filtering. We can also do the data navigation based on the relation that is present in the dataset. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.